Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited because I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious dinner idea. It is some spinach and ricotta stuffed shells. This is so simple to put together, so flavorful for those weeknights when you come from work, very tired, you don't want to make something that takes very long. So yeah, let's get started. So in a pan with high size, what we're going to do over medium heat, we're going to go ahead and add some extra virgin olive oil, let it get a little hot, and then we're going to go ahead and saute our onions. This is a small onions that I chop, and we're going to cook it there for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's softened. Once the onion softened, we're going to go ahead and add our minced garlic, give it a nice mix, and cook for about 30 seconds or so. After that, we're going to go ahead and add the spinach. I am using baby spinach that I roughly chop. I recommend that you chop it, it's better. So add the spinach in there, and we're gonna cook the spinach until it's wilted down. That won't take very long, maybe I would say 3 to 5 minutes. Just cook it there. Once it's nice and cooked, just set it aside until you're ready to use it. So in this bowl, I have my ricotta cheese. So to that, we're going to go ahead and add more cheese. So I have some mozzarella cheese, some provolone cheese, and parmesan cheese. And just add all that in there, mix it all together. And then we're going to go ahead and add the spinach mixture. Mix it all together, season with salt and pepper, and that is your filling. So here I have this baking dish where I'm going to put some marinara sauce. You can use store-bought or homemade. I am using store-bought because why not? It's good and it saves you some time. So we're gonna go ahead and add some in the bottom and spread it nicely. And then we're going to take the shells. I cook this according to the package instructions. And you're gonna take a spoon and you're gonna fill each shell. You can put the filling in a piping bag and it'll be easier, but this is fine. So just lay them there on the pan. After that, we're going to put more sauce on top of each shell, and then more mozzarella and parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna bake it in the oven at a 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, cover. And after 20 minutes, I uncover it and cook it for further 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I saw that the cheese wasn't very crispy or golden how I like it. So I just put it under the broiler for a couple minutes, and yeah. So after that, you're going to let it cool for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna sprinkle some fresh parsley for color, and that's it. Enjoy. So I'm gonna give this a try now. I already tried it. It is so delicious. So I'm just gonna have one now because I'm already too full, but I have to try in front of you guys. It's kind of yum. This is so good. It is very delicious, guys. I promise you, if you try this, everybody will love you. It is. I feel like it's so easy because it doesn't have like a lot of weird ingredients, so make sure that you get really good ingredients because that's what really gonna stand out. It's so creamy and flavorful. I really hope you get to try this recipe. It'll be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.